move my hand.
Now. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull this shitty bumper off here, guys. Basically, it's gonna be one of those videos, you know what I'm talking about. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install our freshly painted move bumper. Look at that thing. Got all the welding done on it. Got the side steps in. Not really sure how I feel about these little brackets in here. I don't know about that. Everything's welded up, everything's ready to go and painted, obviously. There's a few little things we got to do, which I'll probably do at a later date, to be honest. And that is drilling the hole for my tire down here. So I gotta take this off this bumper here and make a hole in that bumper. That's one thing I got to do. And also my attachment for my 5-pin 4-pin setup as well. I need to figure out what to do with that, which I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll attach it here where it should have went. And eventually I'm gonna have to get license plate lights for this thing as well. I'm just gonna get some LED ones from Amazon, drill some holes in this bumper. But I basically just wanted to get the bumper on and get it done. That way it's mounted, ready to rock and roll. We have some other fun shit going on here with Zach, because he's here. But he is doing valve seals, which are done now. He is doing valve seals, and he's doing new valves. The new valves that we got for his B18 head, and we're gonna get that all straightened out. If you guys remember, he had a bent valve, which was causing low compression on cylinder number 1. So
low compression.
No compression on cylinder number 1.
Oh,
he has now fixed it.
She's right here, boys. Just so
He's got the bent valve there, as you guys can see. So
something is not like the other.
Yeah, something is not like the other. So he actually did this all by himself. He got the valves out. He put the valve seals in, took the valve seals off. The old ones, took them off, cleaned everything up, put the new ones in. So I'm very happy with him right now. He's finally working. He's probably putting in his time effort here at the shop, which is good. But yeah, so he's gonna help me up. He's actually gonna help me put that bumper on.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this. Spray paint. I'm gonna pull good old Street Beat 717 here.
What are you doing?
Spray painting that rust.
So it doesn't look like rust?
Yeah, so it doesn't look like rust, and it just looks like black rust.
Oh, this is what we did to the entire underneath of my car. I remember this well.
Preventative maintenance. That's what I like to call this.
Yeah, I very vividly remember literally giving my entire undercarriage a coat of black spray paint.
Look at that. Spray that rust.
And then you just called it rust inhibitor.
Rust inhibitor, yes. Look at that.
Some nice
brand new.
Rust inhibitor.
Brand spanking new. I call this the Street Speed 717 treatment right here. Yes, sir. Look at that. Brand new.
Brand spanking, even.
Go over top of it.
Hold on, move my hand.
Now.
These go over your way.
They do?
I can't see my holes. I can just see the edge.
Okay. Hold yours right there for right now.
Okay.
There. You see how
Oh, much better. Oh, we need to go. Which? How does this?
it goes that way?
Hold on. Here's my confusion. You know how this has the, like
Yeah.
that? Does that go in? Our metal piece come down?
It goes on the other side, Zach.
Goes like this?
No, it goes on the outside, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing other than scratching my tailgate up there?
Okay. Slam it into place. Good to go.
Oh, as rust is falling off.
Weight reduction.
Weight reduction. Cool. Look at that. That looks freaking nice right there, dude. What do you think? Yeah, it looks good. Actually, doesn't look bad at all.
Can't wait to abrade the side of the radiator with Zach.
Zach was not here. Look at that, guys. The move bumper is on, and it looks. Get away from me. Get out of here.
Sponsored.
It looks really good.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Hold on a minute. Here, hold this.
Ah, it was dirty.
Oh no, it's dirty. What shall I ever do, Dad?
I'd say cry, most likely. Is she like on?
Yeah.
So like if I step on it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get the last bolt in here.
Ah, so she's not on.
Wow.
Stupid!
It's gonna be on here in a minute.
If only it was a Ford Ranger.
Okay. And the plate will go right there with my camera. Pretty nice. I'll tell you what. That's pretty damn solid,
They just
dude.
moved the whole truck.
That's really solid.
I want to do.
I didn't think it was gonna be that solid. Yeah, test it out, Zach. Oh, now you fucking dirty my shit up. I'll kill you. Jump on it. Yeah, I don't think that bumper is going anywhere, dude. Now go clean my bumper off because it was neat and. I mean, it moves a little bit, but it ain't going anywhere. All right, guys, there she is. She is looking sweet. Still got to put my reverse lights in. I got my other thing hooked up there. Got to tie some wires up underneath that belong to the license plate lights, which I'm gonna have to install later. Or maybe I'll just do one light and that's it. Like maybe on top of the plate or something. Don't gotta be anything crazy. But yeah, she is in and on, and she looks freaking great, guys. Freaking amazing. You know, this truck is just becoming meaner and meaner and meaner looking. Got the front bumper. The front bumper is all nice and dirty. I've got to wire up my floodlights in here. Got to wire them up. Touch up some spray paint here, which is no big deal. That's a beautiful thing about Raptor liner. But she is complete. Front and rear move bumpers. Thank you very much, Move. You guys are freaking amazing. And this truck, if it wasn't getting any crazy looks before, and people are just going to be astonished by how well it looks. I am extremely happy. We got to get some D-rings for the front and the rear. Get some D-rings there. Oh yeah, super badass looking. Very, very nice product. Like I said, very, very easy to make. These things are so simple to go together. The worst part about it is the grinding, the smoothing out, the grinding of the welds, making sure everything's reinforced really, really well. That's honestly the worst part of the entire job. Other than that, these are very, very easy to do. They're not hard at all, guys. They're really not. So if you're looking to pick up a move bumper, man, here you go. Like, the proof is in the pudding. I've already done a front bumper. I love it. Now I've done a rear bumper, and I love it. Like, it's freaking amazing. And it looks smexy as hell, too. Smexy, I tell you. So if you guys are interested in a move bumper, do me a favor. Click the link in the description below in the sponsors area. Go down there, buy a bumper for your truck. I promise you, you will not be disappointed at all. Well, guys, that's going to end the video for today. Just a short little video of getting this move bumper installed. Obviously, you've seen me welding it up and test fitting it with Zach over here, and finally grinded all the welds down, painted it with that good old Raptor liner. Love that Raptor liner, by the way, and it matches everything on the truck now, and it's easy to touch up if I scratch it or bump it or something like that. But she's done, guys. She is done. On to the next freaking truck mod, which you guys are not going to want to miss because it's freaking amazing. You're going to love the next mod. Right, Zach? They're going to love the next mod we do to this truck. It's going to be freaking awesome. It's going to be freaking awesome.
Pull their interest.
Yeah, literally going to pull your interest right on in. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. And on top of that, we obviously you know, have to get the tail lights in, the reverse white lights in, and I have a little secret game plan on how I'm going to control all these lights on this truck. So stay tuned for a good old video on that as well. And other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Like I said, don't forget to check out down in the descriptions the sponsor links and all the other links down there, and go have yourself some fun. Other than that, guys, deuces.